Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today I will teach you how to enable SMS for emails. So when you receive an email, let's say from PayPal or Pioneer, Udemy or any online website, or if you received any email with a certain keyword, you can trigger an SMS and it will be sent to your mobile number once you receive this email. So this is very helpful in case you are in areas that doesn't have internet connection, where you can check your email regularly, or if you want to receive an SMS whenever you get something important on your email, so that you can go and check it out. So let's start by introducing the service that we are going to use. It's called ifttt.com. As you can see, this is the website. So it's basically an if then condition. So if you received an email, then send me an SMS notification or SMS notification to my account. Let's continue with Google. So you can proceed with any account that you want. We want this account. It's called EduEng. As you can see, I already have an account with that very same email, so I will just enter my account password and click verify. That's it. Now let's go to this menu. It's called my applets, and let's go to the services and search for SMS. Okay, that's it. It's called SMS. Click connect. Okay, now you must enter your phone number. As you can see, enter your cell phone number to receive an activation pin via SMS. All US carriers are supported. Some carriers outside of the US are not supported yet. For non-US numbers, include the leading 00 and country code. So let's start 00972 for my country, 5953311. This is one of my numbers. Click send pin. Now I will just wait for the pin. You will hear the notification. It will take, let's say, from 30 seconds to 60 seconds to arrive to my mobile number. Okay, let me pause the video so that it won't take long. We won't waste time waiting for the message. So I received the pin code. It's 0176. Now let's click connect. Now I have SMS service in my account, and since I already signed in with Google account, I have the Gmail or my email service on. Okay, let's check it out. In service section here, search for your email service, all services, and make sure that it's on. So basically how this works, I will enable Gmail, and I have just enabled my SMS. So I have two services, which is Gmail and SMS. So I can make an if condition. If I received an email with the keyword, let's say PayPal, then send me an SMS message to my mobile number. It's a free service, so you won't pay anything. Go to my applets, create new applet by going here to the right. If this, let's write Gmail, any new email in inbox or any new email in inbox from, you can define the sender email or new email in inbox labeled new email in inbox from search. So this triggers this trigger fires every time a new email arrives in your inbox that matches the search query you specify. This was the one that we need. Search for, let's say, بال, create trigger, then that SMS, send me an SMS with, okay, let me click here. Okay, let's remove this word Gmail from. You can use the address and the subject. You can add other ingredients like body plane or any other thing received at, when did you receive this email. I will add the body plane. Now you have the address, the subject, and the body plane. If you just need, you can leave this one. Let's create that action. Now we have this service. If new email in inbox from search for PayPal, so if a new email from PayPal come, then send me an SMS at my mobile number, as you can see here. That's it. Click finish. As you can see, this is the word that we are looking for. Okay, you can enable receiving notification on the iFit app if you have any problem. Now we just need to wait for this applet to finish. Okay, it seems like this screen is stuck. Create action again and finish. Okay, now it's on. If new email in inbox from search PayPal, then send me SMS at this mobile number. You must make sure to enable both Gmail and SMS services to create this applet. Now it's on. We can check it out by, let's say, sending ourselves an email and mention the word PayPal in our email. Let's compose a new email, as you can see. Okay, let's say from, okay, let me check the email. Let's say PayPal. Now let's click send. As you can see, if you clicked view message, I sent a message that contains the word PayPal. You can add Pioneer, PayPal in the very same applet. Pioneer, PayPal, Udemy, any email that you need to be notified about via SMS, and you will receive a message once the email on your account, or once you received a new email from these companies. Now let's see the activity of our account. As you can see, this is it. If a new email applet ran, so this service recognized that a new email with the word PayPal has been sent. If a new email in inbox from search PayPal, then send. This means that this applet was just okay. As you can see, applet ran. That's it. I just received the message on my phone and everything is working just fine. So if you are in an area with no internet coverage, or if you are at work and you don't have your email online, so you will receive an SMS once you receive a payment from PayPal, Pioneer, or from any other company that you are waiting for some emails from. This is a very useful service, and it's free, so you don't have to pay anything. That's it for now. If you have any question or if you faced any problem in creating such service, please contact me. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team. Happy learning.